Cognition Therapeutics has reached full enrollment in its Expanded Access Program, EAP, for zervamecine, CT-1812. In patients with dementia with Lewy bodies, DLB, zervamecine is an investigational, once-daily oral therapy targeting the sigma-2 receptor, designed to interrupt the toxic effects of proteins that accumulate in neurodegenerative diseases. As this investigational therapy advances toward late-stage development, the open-label program funded through a private donation from the family of a participant in the Phase 2 SHIMMER study enrolled 32 patients across 8 clinical sites in just 3 months. Participants receive 100 milligrams of oral zervamecine daily for up to 1 year, with the program recently extended beyond the original 12-month treatment window to gather additional long-term safety data. The EAP includes individuals who completed the Phase 2 SHIMMER trial, as well as additional patients with mild to moderate DLB who met eligibility criteria. In the Phase 2 SHIMMER study, which enrolled 130 adults, the drug met its primary endpoint of safety and tolerability. Patients treated with zervamecine showed improvements in neuropsychiatric symptoms, including hallucinations, delusions, anxiety, and agitation, as well as cognitive fluctuations and activities of daily living, compared with placebo. Most adverse events were mild or moderate. The SHIMMER study was supported by approximately $30 million in funding from the National Institute on Aging. Building on these results, Cognition held a Type C meeting with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in January to discuss clinically meaningful endpoints and the design of a potential next-stage study in DLB. Cognition expects further regulatory feedback as it refines its development path. Notably, there are currently no FDA-approved disease-modifying therapies for DLB. Cognition is also pursuing zervamecine in Alzheimer's disease. It has aligned with the FDA on a registrational pathway for Alzheimer's and completed enrollment of 540 participants in its Phase 2 START study in early Alzheimer's disease, supported by $81 million in grant funding from the National Institute on Aging. About 15% of START participants are also receiving monoclonal antibody therapies, potentially enabling combination treatment insights. Earlier, Phase 2 SHINE data suggested a slowing of cognitive decline in a biomarker-defined subgroup of patients. While not yet profitable, Cognition maintains enough liquidity to keep ongoing trials running. While waiting for Cognition to transition into later-stage clinical development with further large-scale trials, keep an eye on the market with TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.